joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. Today we have Mr. Tarun, the COO from Tobitek. Let's have a quick conversation about their experience and what products they are showcasing at Drone Expo. Hello sir, glad to have you here.
Thank you.
Let's not take much of your time. Could you please introduce yourself and tell our audience about your company?
Hi, we are Tobitek. We've been into the motor manufacturing. We are offering the drone motors right now. We've been into the market since 1989. We started with our journey with the automotive and the appliances sector. And we recently launched our drone motor line in last 2022. And we are offering the ranges from the VTOL series, the agriculture series, the surveillance, and the FPV series.
To multiple sectors
To
you
the
are
multiple
dealing
sectors,
with.
correct.
Okay. Any hero product you are showcasing at Drone Expo?
The Hero product is currently 5 series we are having. It's a bestseller of our in a portfolio.
That's
so
nice.
I recommend everyone who are a drone enthusiast and should use this with 70-inch propellers.
This is from which sector?
This was surveillance.
Surveillance. Okay, that's wonderful. So, what are your strengths which keeps you unique from others?
The first of all, I would like to highlight here is that we have our internal R&D. We don't rely on the Chinese product. We do our R&D. Even though if you want customization in any product, like if you want to change the kV rating of the motor, if you want some higher efficiency in the motor, we can do everything in house. So we have our core competency is we can design, rebuild, and reshape the motors.
So, basically, you are promoting Make in India.
Correct.
Definitely. Nice. So, any message you would like to convey to your potential customers, visitors, and individual exploring your booth?
I would like to say only one thing. Please do have a trust on Indian manufacturers. We've been there since very long, and we have a pretty much better experience. And we can give you, in terms of the costing and in terms of the efficiency, a good product than Chinese motors. So believe in India, make in India products.
That's a wonderful message a market could have.
Yeah.
Okay. So, at last, I hope you had the great experience at Drone Expo 2026 in Bengaluru.
Yes, we do have. We didn't expect that there is so much of footfall, and we just ran out of our hard copies of the catalogs and the visiting cards in just 2 hours.
That's a wonderful response I have today.
Thank you.
In September, we are bringing it again in New Delhi. So, would you like to participate again?
Yes, I would love to participate as we are from the north only. So it's a
Okay.
very nearby to us. We will surely come in September.
That's wonderful. Looking forward to see you in New
Thank you
Delhi
very
as well.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.